Hi everyone, this is Sehshit Kaur and today I'm gonna share with you all my experience and my journey in KPID India, a journey from a volunteer to KPID ambassador. So the common questions that I'm gonna address today is that why did I enroll for this program? Was this program useful to me, or what skills did I learn throughout this program? So, why did I enroll for it? To be honest, before I joined KPID India, I myself didn't know much about cervical cancer. So, the questions about is it too fatal or is it preventable? Uh, ये हम women body में होता कहाँ पे है, how does it affect? So these were the questions that intrigued me to know more about cervical cancer. Initially I thought that it is a 1 month training program. So after that, I'll be a certified speaker from such a reputed trust that is KPID India. But after I joined KPID, I realized that it is much more than these incentives and perks. It is completely a complete different world. So yeah, when it comes to usefulness, um, after I came to know about the causes, the symptoms, I realized that one of my aunt who passed a few years back due to a kind of cancer was something cervical cancer. The symptoms were same, the symptoms were same, and later when I joined KPID, I realized that she was suffering from a cancer called cervical cancer, जो कि मुझे पहले पता ही नहीं था. And apart from that, it has imbibed in me the confidence to address this issue, to take questions from the audience, to conduct sessions, be it online, be it offline, you know to impart more knowledge and facts about cervical cancer, the precautions related to it. So, and when it comes to skills, you develop such convincing and persuasive skills कि after the sessions that we conducted as a certified speaker, and uh, after those sessions, most of my fellow mates, they approached me, and they personally contacted me, telling, asking कि vaccinations क्या लेनी है further, हम आगे क्या करें इसके बारे में, और can you conduct session with us. So these were the things, such will be your convincing and persuasive parts skills after the training that trainers here give you, uh, that audience will not only they will listen to you, but they'll consider all these talks important. They'll pay heed to your talks, and they'll consider it. They'll help you to spread the word. So another question that I want to address today is that how were the trainers during this program, throughout this program. So the trainers were phenomenal. They used to attend our sessions, और जब हमारे sessions होते थे independently, they used to call us after the session. वो हमें बताते थे कि shortcomings कहाँ थी, तुम कैसे improve कर सकते हो, and what are the mistakes that we don't have to repeat in the next session. How can we improvise, how can we make a session gripping, कि अगर 1 घंटे का सेशन है या 50 मिनट्स का सेशन है, तो कैसे अपने एक्सपीरियंस के साथ जो होते हैं ऑन फील्ड, ऑफ फील्ड, दी पेक्यूलर टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन दैट ऑडियंस पुट अप. So these were the things, these are the things that keep the audience gripping and intact throughout the session. तो वो सब गाइड करना, कोई मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन ना हो, इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना. सो दे यूज टू बी with us throughout the session. So hats off to the trainers who invested so much time in us, and they made sure कि हम कुछ गलत इंफॉर्मेशन इम्पार्ट ना करें, और जो भी हम बता रहे हैं वो सब कुछ बिल्कुल सही होना चाहिए. हमें पहले खुद से नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. सो दे टेस्टेड अस बिफोर they felt that we are now capable enough of conducting sessions. Yeah, the trainers here are phenomenal, and they'll make sure कि आप सर्विकल कैंसर के बारे में सब कुछ जानें और दूसरों को भी बताएं. नेक्स्ट थिंग, like the last thing that I want to address today is that what message do I want to impart to all those upcoming batches and the volunteers who gonna take part in this cervical cancer program. So the only thing I want to say is, अगर आपको पता चलेगा सर्विकल कैंसर के बारे में, सो इट इज़ नॉट ओनली यू who's gonna make यू नो अगर आपको पता चलता है इस के बारे में, तो आप अपनी फैमिली में भी ज़रूर बताएंगे, फिर उनसे और आगे बात फैलेगी. सो योर जस्ट वन क्लिक to register cervical cancer KPID में is not only, it will not only help you but also every women around you, every men around you, उनको पता चलना चाहिए कि आप कितने नोबल कॉज के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. सो लाइफ इज़ मच बियॉन्ड दी सर्टिफिकेट्स एंड दी इंसेंटिव्स एंड दी पर्क्स. ये सब आपको KPID में आके पता चलेगा, क्योंकि वंस यू एंटर हेयर, वाइल वी वर हेयर, जब हमारी ट्रेनिंग चल रही थी, तो we never thought of, like, it was 1.5 month training, and we never thought of certificates and anything, because हमें इतना मज़ा आने लगा था. हमें ये हो गया था कि बस अब हमें ये चीज़ इतनी ज़्यादा इंटेंस है, इतना प्रॉब्लमेटिक है कि वी नीड टू स्प्रेड द वर्ड. सो दैट वाज द मेजर मोटिव. तो आप जो भी मोटिव लेके आएंगे KPID में, डेफिनेटली वो चेंज हो जाएगा सिर्फ एक मोटिव से. और वो एक मोटिव आपका यही होगा कि आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जानें बचानी है. यू नीड टू स्प्रेड द वर्ड. यू नीड टू मेक इंडिया सर्विकल कैंसर मुक्त भारत.
Cervical Cancer Mukt Bharat, an initiative by Capit India.